Have you ever looked up from Central Park and seen those impossibly thin towers slicing through the clouds? They're not just buildings, they're Billionaires Row, home to the world's most exclusive and expensive residences. From the street, they're architectural wonders. Inside, they're private kingdoms in the sky. The allure is undeniable. Who lives there? And what's it like to wake up above the city? These penthouses are more than homes. They're global status symbols, coveted by the world's elite. Owning one means you've transcended the city's chaos, observing it from a serene, untouchable perch. Stories of helicopter-delivered pianos and private sky-high restaurants only add to the legend. Privacy and security are absolute. Every detail is curated, every service on demand. For most, these towers are distant dreams, shimmering lights seen from afar. They're the physical embodiment of having it all. But what does all really mean at 500 feet? Who seeks this rarefied existence, and what are they truly buying? It's about conquering the last frontier of urban living and securing a legacy written in the sky. Let's pull back the curtain and step inside this world of ultimate luxury. Welcome to Billionaires Row. What draws billionaires to these sky-high homes? It starts with exclusivity. These aren't crowded buildings. Some have just 1 or 2 residences per floor, or a penthouse spanning multiple levels. Scarcity fuels desire. Entry requires a check with 8 or 9 zeros. You're not just buying an apartment, you're joining the world's most powerful club. The drama of the space is unmatched soaring ceilings, grand halls, and awe-inspiring scale. Architects like Raphael Vignoli and Christian de Portzamparc design spaces that evoke emotion, not just luxury. The lifestyle is turnkey. Concierge teams handle everything, from private jets to last-minute Michelin reservations. In-house chefs, trainers, and sommeliers anticipate every need. Buildings like 432 Park Avenue and Central Park Tower are global brands. Owning here is like owning a priceless work of art. The address itself is a status symbol, recognized and respected worldwide. Brand recognition adds an intangible, powerful value. In the world of global real estate, it's the ultimate trump card. That's what makes these penthouses irresistible. On Billionaires Row, the view is everything. Imagine waking up to the sunrise over the East River, the city at your feet, Central Park a perfect green rectangle below. At night, the skyline becomes a private, ever-changing art installation. Interiors are minimalist and sophisticated, neutral palettes, Italian marble, French oak, and seamless top-tier appliances. Bathrooms become private spas with tubs overlooking the city and marble that looks like art. Every detail is custom designed and meticulously crafted. Amenities set these buildings apart. Private clubs, ballrooms, wine lounges, and pools with skyline views. Fitness centers, theaters, golf simulators, and playrooms create a self-contained world of luxury. These are true, smart homes. Control lighting, temperature, and sound with a touch. Technology is invisible, enhancing comfort without intrusion. It's the perfect blend of high-tech and high design. Here, luxury is effortless, and every comfort is at your fingertips. This is the apex of architectural ambition. Why do these penthouses cost $100 million or more? The answer is a mix of tangible and intangible factors. First, the cost of building a super tall in Manhattan is staggering. Land, air rights, materials, and specialized labor. These homes are massive, often 10,000 to 15,000 square feet, with soaring ceilings that amplify the sense of space. The higher the floor, the more dramatic and expensive the view. Trophy features like private terraces, pools, and internal elevators add millions to the price. Developers invest in unique elements that make each penthouse legendary. Scarcity and prestige drive value. There's only one best penthouse in each building. For buyers, exclusivity is priceless. The price tag is a barrier to entry, not a deterrent. Owning one means joining an ultra-exclusive club. In this market, the price is part of the appeal. That's how a penthouse becomes a $100 million trophy. The value goes far beyond square footage. Why do billionaires buy these sky-high homes? It's the ultimate expression of success. In New York, owning the highest residence is like winning the game, a universally understood statement of achievement. There's a competitive edge. When one titan buys a record-breaking penthouse, others want to match or surpass it. It's not about space or amenities, it's about the title, the conquest. Many buyers are visionaries who appreciate the artistry and engineering behind these towers. For them, owning a penthouse is like collecting a masterpiece of modern design and technology. It resonates with their drive for excellence and innovation. These homes also offer sanctuary, true privacy, and tranquility high above the city's chaos. For those living in the global spotlight, this piece is priceless. It's a place to retreat, recharge, and see the world from a new perspective. A fortress of solitude, a rare commodity for the ultra-elite. It's more than real estate. It's the ultimate escape. That's why they do it. Who actually lives in these sky palaces? The residents are a global who's who: business magnates, tech entrepreneurs, hedge fund managers, and foreign dignitaries. Many buy through shell companies for privacy, making ownership a mystery. For international buyers, these penthouses are safe havens for capital, a safety deposit box in the sky. Some names are public: Ken Griffin, Michael Dell, Daniel Ock, each purchase making headlines and setting new benchmarks. These sales validate the market and inspire others to follow. For many, their Billionaires Row penthouse is just one of several homes worldwide. Often these are pieds-à-terre, used only occasionally, leading to the lights-out phenomenon, entire towers dark at night. These aren't primary residences, they're assets, trophies, and occasional sanctuaries. The global elite collect them as part of a real estate portfolio. These are the residents of the clouds. Billionaires Row is the result of a decade-long race to build higher and more luxurious. These penthouses have redefined urban luxury and changed Manhattan's skyline forever. But what's next? Some developers see the future in integrated, self-contained vertical communities. Imagine buildings with private schools, medical facilities, and urban farms, creating a seamless world within a single address. Wellness and biophilic design are on the rise. Think private parks, indoor waterfalls, and advanced air and water filtration. The next luxury isn't just a view, but a healthier, more holistic environment. The market is always evolving, chasing the next innovation and wow factor. Billionaires Row set a new standard, but New York's story is never finished. The next chapter is waiting to be written. What impossible dream will New York's developers build next?